That's the hotel we just stayed in, Hotel Mundial. Did you enjoy your stay there?
It was great.
And what are we going to do today?
We're just about to get on tram number 28 and go for a tour.
We're going to do the loop. That's the famous tram in Lisbon, isn't it?
It
the little
is.
yellow one.
And I'm very excited.
There comes the tram 28. And we're going to do a circuit in Lisbon and head off to Fatima. But here we go. I hope we can pay on there.
Well, I hope so too.
So we made it. We're on the tram.
We got a seat.
Yeah. So we're looking forward to having our trip. So we survived the tram 28.
That was great.
We went all the way around and back to our hotel, and here we are. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again soon.
It's great, yeah. It's like here, it's going along here.
So here we are walking into the main area of Fatima.
Wow. Just look, Norm, what's ahead?
I know.
Wow. Fantastic.
Just absolutely amazing.
What a sight.
Martin, this is what the centre of Fatima is all about, with the shrine.
It is absolutely magnificent, isn't it?
It's on a scale that you just wouldn't believe.
No.
So well done. And not a lot of people here. I guess we're out of season, and
But we still thought there'd be quite a few people here, didn't we?
yeah, so we seem to be doing quite well from the crowd's point of view. Anyway, we're really pleased to be here in Fatima. It's something that we thought it was so close to Lisbon that we should just jump in the car and come up here.
So here we are, so we'll maybe have a wander around and show you a few more of the sights here.
Yeah, it really is something. Very tall tower.
Oh, it's magnificent, isn't it?
It's like a complete semicircle horseshoe. Well, Tin, here we are, the end of a perfect day in Lisbon. What better way to end the day than at this beautiful mural of the dedication to the founding of Fado music, urban street art, and it's just fantastic.
Yeah, this is a real hidden gem that we found, didn't we?
Yeah.
Well, we didn't really find it. We were looking for it and we asked somebody and he brought us here and it took like 10 minutes to find it. So talk about a fantastic discovery.
So just take a look at this. It's absolutely fantastic street art at its best, and it covers multiple surfaces of the buildings.
Just absolutely wonderful.